Welcome to this technical guide on the Neato Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Neato robot is making a strange noise during operation, it could be due to a faulty laser or a malfunctioning flex. If not addressed promptly, this issue may lead to further damage, affecting the cleaning efficiency and potentially causing more costly repairs down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement laser and flex, and a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. First, ensure that your Neato robot is switched off and unplugged. Carefully lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using a suitable screwdriver, remove the screw securing the base. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base is off, locate the laser assembly. This is typically situated at the front of the device. If you notice any debris or dust, clean it gently with a soft cloth, as this can sometimes cause noise issues. Now, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the laser. These cables can be delicate, so take your time to avoid causing damage. After disconnecting the cables, remove the screws that hold the laser in place. Keep track of which screws belong to the laser, as they may differ in size from others. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the laser out. Take the new laser and position it in place, ensuring that it fits securely. Replace the screws to hold the new laser in position, applying gentle but firm pressure to avoid over-tightening. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached and not pinched. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, carefully reattach the base of the Neato robot, ensuring all screws are replaced in their original positions. Plug the device back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully made the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, it's advisable to regularly clean the sensors and ensure that no debris obstructs the laser or flex. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Neato robot and keep it operating efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.